need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. Today, we're addressing a common issue with the Dyson hairdryer. It turns off when you move the cable. This problem often indicates a fault in the cable or internal connections. Let's dive into the steps to diagnose and fix this issue. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter for testing continuity, and some electrical tape. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Begin by unplugging the hairdryer from the wall. Safety is paramount, so ensure it's completely disconnected before proceeding. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the handle. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the handle to access the internal components. Be cautious, as there may be wires connected to the circuit board. Inspect the cable for any visible damage, such as fraying or cuts. If you notice any issues, this could be the source of the problem. Now, let's test the cable for continuity using the multimeter. Set your multimeter to the continuity setting and touch the probes to each end of the cable. If you hear a beep, the cable is intact. If not, you may need to replace it. If you're unsure about handling this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. If the cable is fine, check the internal connections. Look for any loose wires or connections on the circuit board. If you find any, gently reattach them. It's essential to ensure everything is secure to prevent future issues. After checking the connections, it's time to clean the internal components. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. This can help improve the performance of your hairdryer. Once everything is clean and secure, reassemble the handle by aligning it properly and replacing the screws. Make sure everything fits snugly to avoid any rattling or movement. Before testing the hairdryer, consider that if you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this repair, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can avoid the hassle of calls and travel. Now, plug the hairdryer back in and test it. Move the cable gently to see if it still turns off. If it stays on, congratulations! You've successfully fixed your Dyson HS01. If it still turns off, there may be a deeper issue that requires professional attention. Remember, we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know what to expect. In summary, diagnosing and fixing a Dyson HS01 that turns off when moving the cable involves checking the cable for damage, testing for continuity, inspecting internal connections, and cleaning the components. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can tackle this repair yourself. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.